Amazing command prompt tricks you have never heard of. Hidden features, powerful shortcuts, and time-saving hacks that can make you a pro. So, ready to unlock the secrets of CMD? Let's get started. What if I told you there's a hidden feature in your Windows PC that can boost speed and save power at the same time, and most people don't even use it? And it's called hibernate mode. And today I will show you how to unlock it with just one command. So first press Windows plus S to open search bar. Now type CMD and click on Run as Administrator. Next click on Yes and here type power cfg space / hibernate space on and hit enter. Unlike sleep mode, hibernate saves your session to this hard drive and completely powers down your PC. When you turn it back on, everything is exactly where you left it without using extra power. Now, if you want to free up disk space and disable hibernate mode, here's how to do it. Now, again open command prompt as an administrator and type power cfg space / hibernate space off and press enter. And that's it. Frees up space by disabling the hibernation feature if not needed. Ever lost a file that you know exists but just can't find? What if I told you it might be hidden? Windows can hide certain files from you sometimes for security, sometimes for no reason at all. But there's a secret command to reveal them instantly. So first go to your file explorer. After that navigate to the folder. Now type cmd and hit enter. And type this command dir space / a:/h and press enter. And that's it. This command lists all hidden files in the directory. Want proof? Check Windows Explorer. These files were not visible before. So try it now and uncover what's hiding in your PC. If you are surrounded by a mess of files and need to organize them quickly, then creating folders one by one takes too much time. But what if I told you you can create multiple folders in seconds? No clicking, no dragging, just pure command like magic. So let's see how it works. Open CMD. Now navigate to the folder by typing cd space desktop and hit enter. Next here type mkdir space folder 1 space folder 2 and space folder 3 and press enter and boom, 3 folders appears instantly. If you want to create more folders, then you need to increase the folder name like folder 4 or folder 5. And just like this, with a single command, you have saved time and effort. Makes organizing files quick and effortless. No more clicking around, just type and create multiple folders instantly. Got files you want to hide without using any software? Deleting is not an option and normal hiding is not foolproof. What if you could make a completely invisible folder? No name, no icon, hidden in plain sight. Sounds cool, right? Let's do it in seconds. To create a new folder, press the Ctrl, Shift and N key simultaneously. By default, Windows won't let you create a nameless folder. But here's the trick. Now hold down the Alt key and type 255 and then hit enter. Right click on the folder and select Properties. Now go to the Customize tab and click Change icon. Scroll until you find a blank icon. Select it and click OK. After that click Apply and then click OK. And your folder is now invisible. And just like that, your secret folder is completely invisible. No name, no icon and hidden in plain sight. Simple, quick and no extra software needed. Want more cool tech tricks? Stay tuned and start hiding your files like a pro. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you. Thanks for watching.